Hello, today we are doing Little Wolf by Evan Alexander, Tegan Early, Miko, and the Epic Ensemble. Anyway, let's do this. Fight, little wolf, fight. Wanna entertain me? Bite, little wolf, bite. Let's see how you take this. Strike, little wolf, strike. Wanna be a man? Then fight, little wolf, fight, little wolf, fight. You made your worst mistake here. Might be your last one too. You have run out of bones to break when you and I are through. I'll teach you all the lessons your daddy never could. This cruel world doesn't give out presents just for being good. So fight, little wolf, fight. Wanna entertain me? Bite, little wolf, bite. Let's see how you take this. Strike, little wolf, strike. Wanna be a man? Then fight, little wolf, fight, little wolf. Fight or die, little wolf, die. Don't you know it's fight or fly, little wolf, fly. All because you had to try, little wolf, try. Run away before you die, little wolf, die, little wolf, die. Need some help? What's going on here? Is your plan to stand around? 'Cause I suggest you fight back. I don't know how. Uppercut him now. Whoa. How did I do that? It's time now, moving slow. No, I just made your farts quick. Oh, it is so sick. Alright now, let's try this again. I've no respect for beliefs. Vows to impose that will. I've seen plenty enough to truly understand this kind of filth. Let's teach this dog a lesson. If never his kind, one young wolf has a larger heart than all his men combined. Fight, little wolf, fight. Show them that you've got some bite, little wolf, bite. Take him at you now and strike, little wolf, strike. Don't go tell me that I fight, little wolf, fight, little wolf. Get up and fight. Oh, maybe I pushed you a bit too hard. Ow. Go back and cry in your corner. Make sure your mother hears. If she won't choose a man to adorn her, we'll bring blood and tears. Tell me, Athena, why you came to my aid.